Now let's understand how many types of MCP protocols are available for us in N8N, as we are primarily going to use MCP both its server side and client side in N8N. So the first type of MCP protocol, the rules, established rules in which client and server have agreed to communicate. The first type of it is Streamable HTTP. In API series, we learned that API HTTP is the standard format in which APIs communicate. What is HTTP? It contains a URL, which is the address. Then it has a path, which is the house in the neighborhood, like which house you want to go. Then the query, the thing in the house, and lastly the package, the body that we have to send or get from the address you have specified. So the standard format for MCP is also like API is Streamable HTTP. But what is streamable? Why just not HTTPs? Let's take the example of ordering to a caterer. If you order a single dish to the caterer, it's more likely that he will just give you instantly that dish because it's just a small order. Likewise, sometimes MCP returns you the response in a single JSON format. JSON, you can search it, curly brackets, data imposed in it, that thing. But sometimes when your order is too big, like it's for 100 or 1,000 people, the response of the order is not going to be instant. Instead, he will continue give you the informations about the process of orders. Have the raw materials been purchased? He will say yes. Then he will message you that we are cutting now. Then we have put all the things in boiling, or 70% it's ready. Likewise, when your request to the MCP server is too big, it's not going to instantly give you the result. It's going to continuously stream, like a stream of water will continue giving you the results till it is completed. So when your request is a small one, it's going to be an instant HTTP response. But sometimes when it's big, the HTTP request will yield a streamable, a kind of slow HTTP response. Now, when you should use streamable HTTP, when you are hosting your servers on internet, especially there, and when you need advanced streaming capabilities, because for example, you are exposing a service of image generation that takes a time. So that's when you need to give streaming capabilities to for your clients, and for that streamable HTTP is the best option. And when you need to better utilize your resources, when each penny is counted, you do streamable HTTP. And the second protocol that N8N provides you is standard input output. And when do you use it? It is when you are in the development stage doing and experimenting things on your local machine. So what is standard input and output? It's like you not ordering to a caterer. You are just conversing with a person sitting right beside you. It's an instant communication. Likewise, if you are hosting your server in your local machine and you're using that server also from the same local machine, your computer, it's like you and your friend sitting next behind and conversing with written chits. So like you giving your friend a chit, it's like you inputting instructions to your server, and the server or your friend responding you in a chat is like your server responding you, your local server is responding your local client with a output response. So this is when you are experimenting, developing on your local machine, and you don't have you need scalability or things like that. Okay, so these, to conclude, we have two types of protocol, MCP protocols in N10 available: streamable HTTP, mostly used on internet, and standard input and output, mostly used on your local machines. Thank you.